Webtrieve is an internet-based application from ALS Environmental that provides real-time access for your analytical results and laboratory data. You can even compare your results against various agency requirements. All ALS clients can use Webtrieve. To log in, visit webtrieveus.alsenviro.com and click Login. First-time users can register for access by clicking Register for Account. Once the account is approved, a follow-up email will be sent notifying you that the account is now active. Access to Webtrieve is generally granted in 1 business day. Existing users will log in with your user ID, which is typically your email address, password, and selecting the laboratory. Users may only view data from 1 laboratory at a time. Please contact your ALS project manager to obtain user ID and password for each separate location. For convenience, the user ID and password can be the same for all ALS laboratories. The Work Orders page allows you to view an overview of your projects, including the color-coded job status, work order number, project name, and ALS contact. Use the search options to locate a specific project. Search by the project name, date range, or job status, and click Search. Project data is available to view as soon as it has been analyzed and validated by the laboratory. Results in progress will display as IP until the data has been validated. Click Open to view the details of a specific project. Details include the work order number, client contact information, job reference number, number of samples, and due dates. Click the Samples tab to view the details of individual samples. Export the information to a spreadsheet by clicking the Excel icon in the left corner. Click Results to view the color-coded project results. Any result above the reporting limit will be displayed as blue, while results between the method detection limit and reporting limit will be displayed as green. To view only hits in the sample results, check Show Hits Only. To return to all results, uncheck Show Hits Only. Change the view of the results by clicking either Results by Sample or Results by Analyte. Results by Sample is a more detailed breakdown of the information, while Results by Analyte is a more condensed presentation of the data. To filter by a specific result, separate the results by sample, method, or analyte using the filters. You can also apply agency guidelines to results. Choose the agency, then select up to 5 guidelines and click Apply. Results greater than or equal to the lowest guideline limit will display as yellow. Please note that the application of guidelines are provided as is without warranty of any kind. Contact your project manager for a copy of specific state guidelines. Export the results to a spreadsheet using the Export tab. Use the Clear options to remove 1 or more filters. Click the Guidelines tab to view the full analyte list for any of the provided agency guidelines. Choose the agency, then select the guidelines. You can also filter the guidelines by matrix or analyte. Click Apply to Results to apply the selected guidelines to results in the Results tab. Export the information to a spreadsheet using the Export tab. Use the Reset options to remove 1 or more filters. Click the Documents tab to view, download, or email any documents associated with your work order. This option does not replace your previously specified EDD. Your ALS project manager will still provide you with your physical report and EDD per any previous specifications. Any email documents will be sent to your ALS project manager. Depending on your ALS laboratory, this function may not be available in Webtrieve. To return to the Work Orders Overview page, click Work Orders in the top links. Using the top links, click Quote/Bottles to fill out an online request form for a bottle order or a project quote. To complete an online request, fill out the top portion of the form, add entries as a new record to the items table, click Save Changes, and then click Submit to complete the request. All requests will be answered within 1 business day. Just as inside the details of a specific work order, guidelines in the top links allow you to view the full Analyte list for any of the provided agency guidelines. Choose the agency, then select the guidelines. You can also filter the guidelines by matrix or Analyte. Export the information to a spreadsheet using the Export tab. Use the Reset options to remove one or more filters. Click KPI to view your Key Performance Indexes. The Key Performance Indexes show a complete overview of your ALS project history, such as previous work orders and how many methods per sample. Simplify your results by selecting a specific time span. Export the information to a spreadsheet by clicking on the Excel icon. Depending on your laboratory, this tab may not be available. Please contact your ALS project manager for more information. View your profile by clicking Profile in the top links. You can also update your contact information and change your password. You cannot edit your account information. To update your user ID, email address, or ALS laboratory, you must contact your ALS project manager. To send an email to your ALS project manager, click Contact Project Manager in the upper right-hand side of the screen. For any additional information regarding Webtrieve, please visit www.alsglobal.com or contact your ALS project manager. ALS, right solutions, right partner.